Buenas noches, Español Uno. Today we're going to be going over Gustarse, which is an intro into talking about liking things. Gustarse is just the way that we are talking about to like. To like is gustar. And then say, well, you learn more about that later on in the year. But the say is referring that you're going to like it yourself, or his self, or herself, or myself. Alright? So the first thing that we're going to do is going to go back to that double T chart. Alright, and we need to remember that this is yo, tú, él, ella, usted. Alright, this is the nosotros y nosotras, even though I don't have it written down. And then this is the one that you just never do. And then finally we get to ellos, ellas, y ustedes. Alright, so if we're taking a look at this in English, what we're going to want to say is we're going to learn how to say I like, you like, and he, she, or you formal likes. Alright, so he would like, she would like, or you formally, obviously for the Spanish, is you like. Alright, so moving on. We're going to come to the tabla. La tabla is this. This whole thing is called a tabla in Spanish. Alright, so we're going to learn how to say the different things. Alright, the first one is me gusta. So, say me gusta. Then we have te gusta. So, say te gusta. And then finally we have le gusta. So, say le gusta. So what we have here is I like, you like, he, she likes. Alright, this is the way we say it. Notice how the verb gustar is going to stay the same. It's always gusta. Gusta, gusta, gusta. Alright, the only thing that's going to change is actually just this. The me, the te, and the le. Everything else is going to stay the same. So for this, you just need to remember the verb gustar. Alright, gustar. And when we're conjugating it, you need to know that it's gusta right here. Alright, but it's not going to change. It's not going to have any effect. The only thing that's going to change is this little thing in the front. Me, te, and le. Alright, so if I wanted to say I like something, me gusta algo. Me gusta la clase de español. Or you could have you like to eat, te gusta comer. Or he, she likes, le gusta patinar, which means he likes or she likes to skate. Alright. Lastly, we're going to come up to some ejemplos, alright, to show you how this works. It's a very simple verb, gustarse. Like I said, all you're going to work on for right now is just me gusta, te gusta, and le gusta, and that's it. Which just means I like, you like, or he or she likes. Or even in Spanish, we also have the you formal that likes. So we take a look at the first one. It says me gusta patinar. You should know what me gusta already means. It's something that we just went over. What it means from the last slide and the slide before. And so what it means is I like to skate. So if we're taking a look at how it breaks down, the me gusta part is this one right here, I like. Patinar is the verb in Spanish, to skate. Alright, so if we take a look at a second one, we're going to get te gusta correr. And if we look at te gusta correr, we need to figure out what that means. So I'm going to give you a couple seconds to take a guess. At least, you should at least know what this is, te gusta. Alright, look back on your notes on what you've taken and you can come up with it. I'll give you a couple seconds. Alright, what we're going to see, the answer is you like to run. Alright, so what we see is te gusta, that's the you like. They're the same part. If we're going to take and underline te gusta is you like. The correr part is going to be a little bit different. Right? Correr is correr here. It's to run. Right? Those two things go together. and then these two things go together in English. Alright, so te gusta correr, you like to run. And we're going to take, I'm going to give you another couple seconds to figure out what le gusta cantar means. You should, like I said, no less than not knowing what this is. You should know what that is. Le gusta cantar. So look back on your notes, give you a couple seconds. And what we're going to see is le gusta cantar is going to come out and be the answer. He, she, or even the you formal, the usted, likes to sing. So that's what we're going to see on this. This is just a brief introduction. It's what you guys are going to be working on tomorrow in class. Is this, the me gusta, te gusta, le gusta. We're going to work very extensively on this at the beginning of next week. He's going to be doing some projects and doing some presentations with this for me. So this is going to go away. The double D chart's not going to go away for sure. So you have to practice. Me gusta, I like. Te gusta, you like. Le gusta, he, she, or you formal likes. Alright? So have a good night. Get the homework done. Don't forget to ask a question at the end of it. And I will see you later to go over this with you.